Now, as we have learned division of decimal fraction, let's start solving practice set based on division on decimal fraction. First is 4.8 divided by 2 in question number 1, first one. So 4.8 is dividend, 2 is divisor. So we will carry out normal division. So first number is 4, 2 2s are 4. Now the moment we bring down 8, when 8 comes down, now since 8 is after decimal, so we have to put decimal in quotient. Whenever we are bringing first number which is after decimal, we have to put decimal in quotient as well. Now 8 came down, so 8 is how many times? 2 4s are 8. Now remainder is 0, so we will stop. Therefore, answer is 4.8 divided by 2 is 2.4. This is the answer. Second one, 17.5 divided by 5. Again 17.5 dividend, 5 is divisor. Starting with one single number 1 doesn't comes in 5 tables, so 5 zeros are 0. 7 we will bring down. 17, 5 3s are 15. 2. Now we are bringing, this is 0, we are bringing 5 down. The moment we are bringing 5 down, since it is after decimal, we have to put decimal in quotient. So 5 5s are 25. And remainder is 0. There's no number to bring down, so we will stop over here. Therefore, final answer is 17.5 divided by 5 equals 3.5. Put a box to this with pencil. Okay. Now sum number 3 is for homework. You will do on your own. Let's see sum number 4. 32.5 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25. 12 minus 5 is 7 and this is 0. Again, when we are bringing 5 down, we will put a decimal. 25 3s are 75. So our answer is 1.3. So 32.5 divided by 25 equal to 1.3. Put a box. So we are done with first part of our question. Let's see second part based on word problem. So question number 2 is, a road is 4 km 800 meter long. If trees are planted on both its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? So let's see given. What all things are given? Length of the road and trees which have been planted in how many intervals? 9.6 meter. Hence given, starting with given, length of road. What's the length of road? 4 km 800 meters. Then we can write this full in terms of meters, that is 4,000. 4 km will become 4,000 meter plus 800 meter will ultimately give us 4,800 meters. So that's the length of the road in terms of meters. Now, interval at which trees been planted. In how many intervals it has been planted? 9.6 meter. Now are both units same? First it was in kilometer and meter. Now we converted both the units and the units are same, so we can carry out the operation. What we have to find? we have to find number of trees planted on both sides of road. So starting with solution, we have to carry out division. So 4800 divided by 9.6. Now we have also seen when the divisor is in decimal, we have to convert the decimal into common fraction. So 4800 divided by 9.6, how we will write? 96 upon 10. After decimal, one number is there, so we will write 10. Now we have also seen how to carry out division of fractions. So first number remains same, division becomes multiplication, and we will write the reciprocal of this number. So let us see 4800 into 10 upon now 96. We know one thing about 96 is 48 2s are 96. We can do cutting part over here. 48 ones are 48, 48 ones are 48. 2 zeros. So 100 into 10 upon 2. 100 into 10 is 1000 upon 2, which gives us 500 trees. Now this was the interval given for one side, means on one side 500 trees is been planted. Therefore answer will be, if on one side 500 trees are planted, then 1000 trees are been planted on both sides of road, because this interval is given for one side. So this number we are getting 500 trees is been planted on the one side. So for two sides, both these sides, what we will do? Multiply by 2 and we will get 1000 trees. So this is our question number 2. Question number 3. Pradnya exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. Pradnya does her exercise by walking in a circular path. If she walks a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? C. In total 9 rounds, she is covering 3.825. So in one round, how much distance she is walking, we have to find that. So from many to one, we have to do division. Starting with given total distance covered. What's the total distance covered? 3.825 kilometer, and number of rounds, 9 rounds. What we have to find? Distance covered in one round. Now for solution, yes, we have to carry out division. So 3.825 divided by 9. Now divisor is not in terms of decimal, so we will carry out normal decimal division. First number 3. 3 doesn't comes in 9's table, so 9 zeros are 0. Now the moment we are taking it down, we have to put decimal over here because there is a decimal. So 38. 9 4s are 36. 2. Then 9 2s are 18. Lastly, we are taking 5 down. 9 5s are 45. So what's the distance covered? 0.425 kilometer, or we can say 425 meters. After decimal, we will count it as meters. And when we are writing in terms of decimal, we will write kilometer. So final answer, distance covered or walked in one round is 0.425 kilometer. Next, a pharmaceutical manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of Hirida. What is Hirida? It's a medicinal plant. So how much that manufacturer purchased? 0.25 quintal. 1 quintal is 100 kg. For 9,500 rupees, means 0.25 quintal is been purchased for 9,500 rupees. What is the cost per quintal of Hirida? Per means 1 quintal. We have to search for what will be the cost of 1 quintal if 0.25 is for 9,500. Again, from many to 1, what operation we will carry out? Division. Question number 4, given quantity of Hirida purchased. How much it has been purchased? 0.25 quintal. Cost of 0.25 quintal Hirida. What's the cost? It's 9,500 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find cost of 1 quintal Hirida. So for solution, again we will carry out division. So 9,500 divided by 0.25. Again 0.25 is in decimal, our divisor is in decimal, so we will convert it into common fraction. 25 we will write, after decimal 2 numbers are there, so 100. How to carry out this? Division becomes multiplication and we will write reciprocal. Now let's do this. We know that 100 divided by 25 is 4. 25 4s are 100. So when we divide 100 and 25, answer is 4. Now let's multiply. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. So answer is 38,000 rupees. So final answer is cost of 1 quintal Hirida is rupees 38,000. And we are done with this chapter.